Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make eggplant casserole. So we start with the garlic, chop it finely. Same thing with the onions. Spring onions and the carrots. Carrots, same thing, chop it finely. And red bell pepper. Use 1 tomato, chop finely as well. In a hot pan, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put the grounded beef and render the oil from the beef. And I add the garlic. Let it brown. So I just rendered the own oil from the beef. And then the onions. Next, carrots. Mix it and saute it well. And next, the tomato. I season with salt, black pepper, and some onion powder. Mix it well until all the flavors is blended together. And I add oyster sauce. And then I add half of my red bell pepper. Sauteed and cook it well. And I covered for 15 minutes and set aside. Meanwhile, in the other pan, olive oil and butter. I put 1 cup of all-purpose flour and add 2 cups of fresh milk. Blend it together and mix it well. And mix it very well until it becomes soft and smooth. Season with salt, onion powder, and black pepper. And dried oregano leaves. Stir it well until it becomes a little bit thicker and thicker sauce. This is what we are looking for. For the eggplant, I just cut 2 cm thick and plate it to the casserole dish at the bottom. Place it nicely and evenly. And then now we sprinkle some of the shredded cheese on top of the eggplant. Then add your cooked beef. Then add your sauce, the one that we made ahead of time. So everything is covered. So now I sprinkled my leftover red bell pepper on top. And some of the spring onions. And sprinkle with shredded cheese. In a preheated oven, set up for 350 degrees and bake it for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, the eggplant casserole is done. Now it's time for plating. Wow, look at that. Looks so pretty. And then now, I let my doggy to try first.
My dugo.
Come, Benny. Eat. How is it, Benny? Yummy? Yum, yum. Asking for more, no more.
Yeah.
Now, it's passed to the doggy test. So now, for the human test. Let's serve it. So guys, hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. Hit comments below. And thank you for watching. See you on my next recipe. Bye.